Darktable and Gimp, both are free, both are open source, but they're actually built for completely different things. So, which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Darktable is a raw photo editor and workflow manager, like a free version of Lightroom. It's built for photographers who shoot in RAW and need a non-destructive editing platform. Your original files are never changed. All edits are stored separately, and GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's more like Photoshop. It's designed for detailed pixel level editing, retouching, and creative digital art. GIMP works with layers, brushes, and effects for fine control. Think of it this way. Darktable is for processing photos, and GIMP is for manipulating images. Darktable has everything you'd expect from a RAW editor: tools for controlling look and feel, tethering support, and photo management. It includes importing images, keywords, and a rating system. It handles RAW formats like CR2, NEF, RAW, plus JPEG and TIFF. It has a full support for color profiles and exposure adjustments geared toward professional photography. The learning curve is fairly steep, but it's probably the closest you'll get to Lightroom for free. GIMP is completely free and open source. You can use all of its features without spending a penny. It offers powerful editing tools for photo retouching, image composition, and authoring. GIMP is ranked second for best photo editing software by users. It supports common formats like JPEG, PNG, GIF, and PSD, but has limited RAW support without plugins. Great for layers, masks, and detailed pixel work. But yeah, the interface takes some getting used to. Both have problems. Darktable can be slower with very large files and complex edits. It doesn't integrate with other software well and gets updates less frequently. GIMP has a complex interface that's not very intuitive. Some users experience slow rendering with large files and multiple layers. GIMP also lacks some advanced features that pros need compared to Photoshop. So, which one? Simple. If you're a photographer needing raw editing and workflow management, Darktable is your best bet. If you're a designer or want fine control over layers and effects, GIMP will serve you better. For many creatives, using both in tandem provides the ultimate free editing toolkit. They're not competitors, they're partners. That's Darktable versus GIMP for you guys. Let me know which one you prefer, and I'll see you in the next video.